Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can trade stickers in Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in, and you'll be redirected to the app's homepage. Now to add friends, just go over to the friends icon, select invite, and then select the preferred option. And after inviting and adding friends, go over to the homepage and select the albums icon. Now you can see there are many stickers available here. You can only give the stickers which have a +1 icon on them. For example, if I select this one, you can see that I cannot trade right now. Now to trade a sticker, what you need to do, you would need a pair of the same stickers. And after selecting the sticker with the plus on it, simply tap on gift to friend. A list of your friends will appear in front of you. Just select a friend and tap on send. Now you can ask your friend to do the same thing and trade will be successful. And this is basically how you can trade stickers in Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.